Hey there, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix Roblox not launching issue on your device. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. And this method is going to work for both the devices, that is, either you are logged in from the PC or from your mobile. All you need to do is follow the instructions as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. There are several reasons why Roblox games won't launch on your PC. One of the major issue might be your connection issue. So the connection issue on the end could be the cause of it. Also, Roblox is having problem with their server sometimes. All it takes to do is restart or reboot your PC. If restarting your device won't solve the issue, then what you can do is you can check for the internet connection or your wireless connection. If you're using mobile data, then you should switch over to Wi-Fi, and similarly, if you're on your Wi-Fi, then you should switch over to data. It might help sometimes. If you're on your Wi-Fi, then what you can do is you can turn off the router and turn it on after 5 seconds or 20 seconds later, and then you might be able to fix it. Or you need to check for the update and then install the latest version. You can also try switching the browser. If none of these seems to be the problem, then you can check the down detector for Roblox, as sometimes the issue might be from the server, and all you need to do is wait patiently until it is fixed. If the issue continues till 1 or 2 days, then you can uninstall Roblox and then once again you can reinstall it. So in order to uninstall it, you need to head towards the control panel. As you click on apps, on the other side you'll be able to see the multiple apps that is on your device, and then you need to click on Roblox. As you click on Roblox, a drop down menu appears, and from the menu you either need to click on uninstall or quit. After that, you've uninstalled the application, and once again you need to install it and then re-log into your account, and then you might be able to fix it. If the issue continues for several days and if none of these seems to be helping, then you can simply contact the customer service. In order to contact the customer service, you'll need to open up your web page, and then on the search box you need to type in www.roblox.com/support, and then you need to submit the request, and after that you might be able to fix your issue. Those are the method on how you can fix your Roblox not launching issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.